Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Quick tutorial here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to join Hoho Hub Discord server. Alright, first thing you need to do here is just open up your favorite browser. It could be on your phone, Windows PC, or any devices that has a browser and Discord installed. Alright, so what we're going to do here is in the search bar, just type in join Hoho Hub Discord server. Hit enter. All right, and as you can see here, the first link, which is from a Discord itself, which states Hoho community. Just go ahead and click on it, and it will redirect you to the Discord page. So what we're going to do basically is just click on accept invite. All right, and simply follow the verification process right here. All right, next, as you can see here, it is now loading. Just go ahead and open Discord right here at the top. Once done, it will automatically open up your Discord app, and you should be able to see Hoho Hub right here. And as you can see here, I don't have it in here because the Discord account that is logged in on my browser is different than what I am using right here. All right, and that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.